Hello friends, in this video we will learn about escape character and it is used to represent any Unicode character means copyright symbol, trademark symbol, dollar symbol or any mathematical symbol or etc. Okay. Suppose our text is please like, share and subscribe to my channel YouTube Kida for everything. Okay. As we know, browser recognize only one white space. If you want to put more than one space, then we can say it could not recognize those extra space. Okay, that's why we can use escape character. Okay, for extra space we can use ampersand nbsp character, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can say the browser can recognize those extra space. Okay, suppose we want to add trademark symbol in our web page. So for trademark symbol we can use ampersand has 8482 code. Then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see there is a trademark symbol. Similarly, we can use any escape character by using their code. I will see you guys in next video.